Creating a sales lead or adding a project in Taimer is quick and easy. You can add a new lead from the header or from the Leads and Deals module in the sidebar. To update an existing lead or project, click on the pipeline to which this project belongs. You will now see a complete overview of all the projects and their details. You can use different filters to modify or limit the data in this view. For example, use the project status filter to see active, closed, or accounts on hold, or filter using the Sales Agent tab to view accounts assigned to a given sales agent. Don't forget to check out the advanced search filters, which lets you filter using multiple fields. It's extremely easy and quick to make changes to your leads in Taimer. Most fields can be edited directly from the view without actually entering the project. You can change the status, assign timelines, hide columns, move columns by priority, or even update revenue and margin details directly from here. To visualize the progress of your leads in a Kanban board's view, simply click on the Kanban view button. The visual display makes it quicker and easier to understand the status and progress of your leads. Drag and drop the cards to different stages of the sales pipeline or project cycle. We have predefined the names and probability percentages of your pipeline stages, but you can easily edit them just by clicking on them. You can mark a lead as won, or put it on hold to review later, or close it as lost. Did you know Taimer has this super cool feature that lets you collaborate using automated project threads? Taimer automatically creates a group for each project and its members. Just click on the chat icon in the card and start sharing news, ideas, and files. If you want to add a new team member, you can add them to the group directly from here as well. Let us now see how to add a lead or a project from the Leads and Deals module. Adding a new project or a lead in Taimer is also extremely easy. To add a new lead, click on Add Project and update the account name and project name. If the account doesn't already exist, you can add it directly from here and it's auto-saved. Remember to fill the other sections, as those help you categorize your projects for reporting and analysis. You will be notified as soon as the new project or lead is added. It's as simple as that. You can visualize the progress of the lead and move it from being a prospect to a qualified lead and eventually to a closed deal. Hey, don't forget to mark it as won if you win the deal. Good job! If you happen to lose a deal, just mark it as lost. And don't worry, you can't win them all. There's plenty of fish in the sea. Once the deal is closed, you can invoice it directly from here by updating the details or visit the invoicing module to send it later. You can invoice services, products, hours, bills, expenses, and even integrate it with your accounting software. For more details, check out the tutorial on how to invoice using Taimer. You can easily assign team members and add contacts to each project just by clicking. You can also add activities, create quotes, send emails, attach files, and even collaborate with your end customers using boards. So go ahead and add your first project or sales lead. Also, remember to check out our Help Center and the community page if you have any further questions.